Hello guys, welcome back to my page. I am Santanika and today we're going to talk about depression and all the food items that prevent depression. Yes, depression is completely curable and there is no such disease that is not curable by nutrition. I am a nutrition student myself, and all the information that you find on this page is thoroughly researched and very informative. So, just in case you find this informative, useful, please do turn the black thumb blue and subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me to make more such videos. Having said that, in case you haven't followed me on Instagram, I'll share my profile right away. You can follow me for more, details on nutrition, lifestyle, fashion, and more such things. Also, all the jewelry that I own and I wear is from my own jewelry page or my own jewelry brand, Melissemia. I will also leave a link to that below. Though we haven't officially launched yet, we will be launching on the 11th of September. But just in case you're interested, you can follow me there. Also to buy or purchase the jewelry that we have. Now moving on to today's topic, which is depression. Now depression is nothing but a mental disorder when people cannot understand their own feelings. They get confused, and in that confusion they end up doing things that are not correct. Now depression can have various stages. First can be you just don't feel like talking to people, you cut off from people. That is the initial phases. Then you start having suicidal thoughts, you move towards hating yourself, not taking food, not having meditation, or not doing things that make you happy. You go into a state that takes you out of your own life. So what are the common symptoms? Not talking to people, not eating food on time, not doing any meditation, not doing anything that excites you or makes you happy, and not leading a purposeful life. Basically, these are the common symptoms that tell you that yes, you are going through depression. If you ask me the causes, there can be innumerable causes to depression. It can be the loss of a loved person, it can also be family problems, it can be due to career, it can be due to some relationship that hasn't worked out. So there are numerous reasons why depression can happen, but here are a few causes that actually make depression even more difficult to come out of. But if you ask me, food has different effects on our body. Now what happens that whenever our body is in a situation of stress, so there is something known as oxidative stress that happens in our body. In terms of nutrition, you'll understand. So what happens is there is this when you eat food, right? So you have carbohydrates are carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So they actually form radicals and they have charged ions. Now these charged ions, however, have negative charge, so they go and hit other cells and they disturb their state of stability. And when that is done, the body is in a state of panic, it is confused, it is restless, and it does things that it shouldn't do. For example, committing suicide, having negative thoughts, not doing anything productive. And the person goes into a state where he is inconvincible, or he is sort of in a position where he does not understand the difference between right and wrong. So what to do in those situations, what food items to eat, we will talk about everything in detail. First thing are walnuts. Walnuts are great in omega-3. So walnuts are great in omega-3. They help in fighting inflammation, that is swelling, and also helps in oxidative stress like situations. Thereby having walnuts definitely helps in situations which are very, very stressful. Having avocado. Now avocado and foods that are rich in vitamin C, be it tomatoes, lemons, they're very good in their content of antioxidant. So basically oxidative stress can be fought by antioxidants. So these antioxidants which are present in vitamin C, they make it very easy for body to adapt and to sort of fight over the stressful situation with the help of lemons and avocados and tomatoes, because obviously they have great amount of vitamin C. Beta carotenes, which is commonly found in your carrots, they are also very, very good source which helps in stressful situations like depression. You can also go for green leafy vegetables. They also reduce inflammation and are very, very good source to fight stressful situations in life. All in all, I can say that these basic food items, be it your green leafy vegetables, walnuts, they actually help in reducing the oxidative or basically the radical damage that happens. Now it also happens due to aging. But in aging, it is a gradual process. But in situations like depression, you suddenly go on a loop. You suddenly go in a situation where you don't know how to come out. Similarly, you can go for other food items like mushrooms. They are also having a good amount of anti-inflammatory properties. They also help in reducing inflammation and giving the body a more productive and a more positive outlook towards life. So having these food items definitely helps in helps the body cope up with stressful situations. I also do firmly believe that these additional things that I am telling you will help you fight depression, such as meditating. I do believe that meditating in the beginning can be a little difficult, but trust me, if you do it for just 2 minutes also a day, you will see a difference in your life, because I have felt a great difference from the time I started doing meditation. Do inculcate the habit of reading. I read almost every single day, at least 2 pages. So I really like reading. Do have a hobby, be it making Instagram videos or writing or doing any form of artwork, but do inculcate a hobby. It really helps. Have a balanced diet. Don't have haywire things and junk every day, because that also helps in increasing the radical damage that happens. So don't have too much of junk food. Once in a while is okay, no problem. And do have a normal exercise routine where you're actually working out, you're giving your body that extra edge to feel good. Once we do not promote being skinny, what we are promoting is being healthy, and there's a world of difference between the two. When you're skinny, you don't feel good because you have to fit into a certain criteria, but when you're healthy, you need not fit the criteria, because that depends on your body type, your body age, your height, that we will discuss in a different video altogether. But being healthy is not being skinny. That is the wrong ideology. But being healthy helps you fight diseases, it helps you fight depression. So please do maintain a healthy lifestyle. So these are a few food items that I would suggest you do include in your diet to fight depression. Having said that, depression is not easy, but yes, it is curable, and we'll do it together. So just in case you like the video and you found it informative, please do turn the black thumb blue and like the video in case you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys.